never, 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 never. She threw the thank you.
Hey guys, I am here at Fenty Beauty. And I am Marsai Martin. You guys probably would know me from Blackish, but I am also the executive producer and star of Little.
Look at this queen, this little queen in the flesh. So I'm so excited to show you our new Pro Kisser lip scrub.
Okay.
Comes in this cute little package. You got one
so
too.
That's what this is. Okay.
Girl, it's new. It's new. It's that new.
It's new.
You can see it has little scrubbers in there.
Oh,
That's what I like to call
wow.
them. Little exfoliants to get your lips right. So
Right.
before you're about to like put on your lip gloss or your lipstick, whatever you want to put on, you
So
just
this is like the skincare.
yeah.
Okay,
And it
got
smells good. What does it smell like to you?
Paradise?
Paradise. Has a little apricot seeds in it, so
Yeah.
go ahead and scrub it on your lips. And you see I got like the little beady beads popping out.
Yeah.
And you can actually leave it on your lips if you want to, or you can kind of just
Wipe
take it off. Yeah, take it off with tissue. Maybe lick it off. Okay, that's a little gross.
That ain't it.
That ain't it. And then, girl, we're coming out with the Pro Kisser lip balm.
Oh, guys, come on.
Our first lip balm. And it's just so smooth. It smells good. We got wands for our lip balm.
I wish you were little.
Oh! This is a perfect,
Wow.
like, little lip step, you know, in case you want to put some lipstick on, some lip gloss on.
Lipstick on.
Or you could just leave it as is. Sometimes I like it just barely. Oh, look,
Just bare?
it looks like your lip gloss is popping, girl.
My lip gloss is popping.
What do you know about that song?
I'm an old soul.
Oh.
And of course, my parents always like show me music, different types of music, or places.
So you know how to crank that Soldier Boy.
Do I?
Oh.
What's the Soldier Boy?
Oh, no.
Wait, I know who Soldier Boy is. I just don't know the dance all the way. I know this.
That's it.
There's
I'm
more?
Old. I'm old. Let's get into it.
Yes.
Girl,
okay.
let's do a full Fenty face. Like, we're going all out. We're getting our skin right.
Skin prep.
Flawless. Okay, so I'm going to start with the primer. I always
same.
prime.
Okay, so it's fine to use my hands because I always use
Yeah.
my hands. I did.
It's
I
almost
wanted
like
to be professional and be like, let me use a blender.
get the skin ready for that foundation.
Mm-hmm.
So now, starting with foundation, I am Pro Filter shade 370.
Okay.
What's your shade?
390 and 370.
Oh, we both have 370. We're shaking it. I've been putting it on my face, just straight on there.
Straight on? Okay.
Sometimes
I put a dot on my finger.
I like to start lightly because I know, like, for the most part, my skin is pretty even.
Yeah.
But I'm starting to get a little pory. You can see my pores a little bit, so gotta blur them out. And I use the brush. So I'm gonna take my concealer too because I need to cover up some of those little dark spots. I use the concealer shade 370, which is the same as my foundation because it's super complimentary. Girl, dark spots be gone. So I just need to blend, blend, blend.
Right.
Now I'm adding more foundation so I can get them outer. Maybe I should try your tip one day though and use stuff differently on the outside because I think that's why my face be looking flat.
Okay, so what do people mean by that when they say flat? Because your face ain't flat. I mean, look, it ain't flat.
But when you look at it on like a camera or in a picture, it has no dimension. It just be like,
My next step is concealer.
ooh, that's how I do it too.
Which one do you use, the sticks or the
I love using the sticks. I don't know why they just like, they're easy to transport, but they just work so well with my skin, girl. I just be looking. She's using the concealer. I'll use matchsticks, take it back to the OG. 370. I do the typical like little shape under my eye. I could just go outside like this.
Well, okay. Look, do you, boo?
We didn't even talk about these mirrors though. Can you get this mirror?
The mirrors though.
Girl, you could put your fingers in it and just, it's a travel mirror.
Oh, it's okay.
Girl, be on the plane and just, boom, giving them life.
Let me blend in these dots and not look like I'm from Wakanda. Okay, so next we have contour, which is one of the best parts for me because I love when people like snatch the nose and just chisel up the jaw.
You gotta get them.
I use truffle. Yes.
I use truffle.
Yeah, you do? Okay.
Boom, twins. We're like, we have a lot of things in common in our routine.
Yeah. Let's see, what else do we have in common?
370. Oh, what other things besides makeup? Well, that's a good game. Let's contour at the same time and think of questions. You start.
Okay. Favorite color?
I don't have one.
Really?
Yeah.
You just love all colors?
I just don't care about colors.
Wow. Favorite celebrity?
You.
Aww.
Okay, let me ask you. Your favorite color?
Oh, my favorite color is blue.
If I had to choose, I guess blue would be.
Blue?
Blue would be a good one.
Okay, you're not just saying that so we can't have something in common.
Nah, blue is a good color.
Favorite food?
Chicken. I've tried to be vegan so many times, but every time I smell chicken, I'm like, girl, I need some chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Well, I don't want to be stereotypical, but fried chicken.
Okay, got it.
What's your favorite type of music?
Okay. I love the internet. That's my favorite band.
I'm not kidding, that's my favorite band.
Really?
I love
That's
the
my
internet.
favorite
I'm not
band.
kidding. That is my favorite band. I love our STALK'R bronzers. They're brand spanking new.
Hello. What's going on?
It's bronzer here.
It's bronzer here. What's going on?
Which shade I'm using Caramel Cutie. Which shade?
Yes, Caramel Cutie.
No, we can't have any music thing. We'll have one music thing in common, but we do have all the makeup stuff down.
Damn.
I'm gonna take our sculpting bronzer brush. I'm gonna chisel a little bit. So
Okay, let me see how you chisel.
I'm really getting defined in
Yes,
there, girl.
chisel.
Cause your girl wants to be sculpted.
Mm-hmm.
It's like I'm going somewhere important, but really I'm just gonna go sit at my desk. This is what kids do, huh?
Yes,
Like after everything you hit the
I think I'm addicted to woeing.
I just be looking crazy when I do. I kind of look like a little.
No.
A little.
I don't know how you say you're old.
I am. You're making me feel
All
older.
the actual old people are offended.
Maybe I should sculpt my nose too. I heard you like to sculpt noses though.
Yes.
Are you gonna do mine?
I can. Okay.
I'm gonna let you.
Okay.
I'm trusting you with my life. I saw that.
I know, just to make sure that everything is good. As you see, pause. I sculpted my face just in case like I screw up with yours. It's like I'm still good, guys.
Yeah. I'm scared. She's snatched. She's just not fully snatched you yet.
Wait, hold on.
You just made her thin here.
I just
I like
made
it.
it.
I like it.
I
like
mean,
it thin right
if
here.
you
but
go to, like, an angle.
We just gotta get her thin.
Just get her.
I'm loving my nose.
Okay.
Now I'm just gonna take some bronzer and hit my eyes.
Okay.
That's what I like about most of our products. They're just so you can just use them everywhere. Okay, so out of your two most major acting roles, Little and Blackish.
Yeah.
Which character do you feel like you relate to the most?
So people would say like Jordan is not relatable at all because of how mean she is. Mm-hmm. But, you know, some things like how she thinks and how she moves with her company is like some good boss moves.
Yeah.
So that's something that I can relate to often. And with Diane, I kind of learned to grow with her.
Yeah.
Because I started Blackish when I was 9. So,
wow.
And now I'm 14 and we're still going. So I've kind of grew up with her, getting to know her more while getting to know myself more.
Yeah. So now we got some real new stuff.
Some real new stuff.
We got these eyeliner trios, girl.
Oh my gosh.
We have 3 of them.
3. Wait,
three trios, which is 9.
Oh my gosh. Guys.
Bayside.
Okay.
Baywatch. Which one you got?
Then Bay K?
Bay.
Bay
It's spelled like Bay, like you my Bay.
Oh.
You better not have a Bay. So I'm going to use this pink one, Hottie Alert. A little secret about this one. Teased this last year at Coachella. And everybody was like, oh, Fenty Beauty's coming out with eyeliners. I'm like, yeah, next year. You suck. You okay? So like I said, eyeliner is like the tricky part for me.
Me too. That's how I'm like, okay.
I'm going to be quiet. This is a moment of silence for this moment. 3, 2, 1. I'm having a panic attack, y'all. This eyeliner is the most stressful part for me. I'm not gonna lie, the brush does make it kind of easy.
Yeah, the brush is
it just
like
lays flat. And
yeah, not like other brushes where it's like big and fluffy and you just gotta deal with it.
Girl,
Yours is good.
Oh, thanks. That's beautiful.
Aww.
That is really pretty on you.
Yeah, this color is amazing.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna get a little fancier too. I'm gonna add more color.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do Papaya Mama, like I'm gonna pop it in my inner corner.
Oh my gosh, yes.
And that one's from the Bayside. See, look at that. Isn't that color so
Oh, yeah, that's pretty. So I'm gonna go with the Moroccan Spice palette.
Ooh, she's throwing it back.
Yes, it's Saffron.
That's one of my favorites, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like a good, if I'm feeling bold, want to show a little color, that's my girl.
Got it. Whoa.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, you're about to get in there.
Okay, so I have a question.
Tell me.
So in honor of all the Bay packaging, who is your celebrity crush?
Back in the day, Bow Wow was definitely my celebrity crush. See? There's some people in the room that can relate. They know, because he was that man. He's a great man. I met him once.
You met him?
No.
Oh. Bow Wow challenge in itself.
I'm ready to highlight.
Okay, well, let's do it.
I want to use our new Kilowatt afternoon snack, Mo Honey.
Mo Honey.
I'm going to use our blending brush, our taper blending brush, because it gets a little precise on me. Let me see, girl. She
Bruh.
You're beaming.
Look at this.
Give me right, left action. Let me see. Yes. Yes. It's like my favorite dance to do.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Uh-huh.
Good night.
Uh-huh. Don't know her. Who
Who?
is she?
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Unfollow.
Uh-huh.
Follow.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna use this brush.
Oh.
Yes.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna actually put it on the brush.
Oh, okay. And that's our concealer brush, so that's interesting because it's flat, so it'll be like perfect under your brow run.
Yes. Perfect.
Let me see, girl. Wow.
Whoa.
Beaming.
Beaming.
Hello.
We're glowing.
Hello, highlight.
Guys, come
Highlight
on.
your life.
I'm living life right now.
So, we have 7 new shades.
Oh my god. Oh,
They're like hard to
new.
pick up because there's so many of them.
So many of them.
But they are called Poutsicles.
Okay. Poutsicles.
Perfect in time for the summer. So I'm gonna try this one. This one's hot blooded. I'm gonna use hot blooded as blush. What I'm gonna do, first of all, is put it on the back of my hand, you know, get a look, cause it's creamy. Like, oh,
Do a little
look at that.
swatch.
Look at how creamy that looks. And then I'm gonna take that same brush that I love.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna just pick up a little bit, and I'm gonna go so soft.
Ooh.
So soft. So she came on a little strong.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna just use my sponge and just take her down a little bit. And now she's defined. She has cheeks,
She has cheeks.
cheekbones. Now I'm gonna do my lips.
Okay, cool.
So I'm taking this pink Tropic Tantrum because I'm just going all out.
Right.
This is bold for me. Let's see what she looks like at the end of her look.
Ooh, that girl pink.
She is pink,
She is
honey.
pink.
Ooh, she's juicy.
She is juicy.
And it's just creamy. Oh.
Oh my.
Done. Top lip on.
Done.
And it's like a nice little satin finish, girl. These lips, they're kissably smooth.
This is Purpsicle. Oh, okay, so this is it. I like this color.
That looks good.
This one's good.
I like them.
I like it.
I like it.
Just one swipe like just goes a long way if you want like a subtle
I like
one
that you're
too.
dabbing it. You're giving it
Yeah,
like a little gentle
just a little
action.
dab. When you try it for the first time, you want to see what happens, you know?
You gotta.
You know, I may go over it with like this.
Oh, some balm?
Some
Yes.
Yeah, like
Make it glossy, honey.
make it a little glossy.
Let me see.
Put it on top. Let's see.
Wait, I really like that. I love it.
Does that mean we're done?
We're done.
Oh, well, this was amazing to shoot. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I mean, you guys are amazing, and I've been supporting you guys since day one.
We
and
appreciate you.
It's an honor for me to be here. And if you guys like it, please make sure you give it a big, fat, thick thumbs up. I got that from Denzel Dion. Like, shout out to you. And please follow me on all my social media platforms, Marsai Martin, and of course follow her. You guys already know her.
I'm nobody. Don't follow me.
Peace.
We out.